Welcome back to DreamCarViews Motorhome. Today, we're diving into the future of luxury on wheels. The stunning 2025 American Eagle 45K by American Coach. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a 5-star hotel on wheels. So make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon because you don't want to miss this luxurious ride. This silver beauty boasts a sleek aerodynamic design, premium paint finish, and LED lighting that makes it stand out in any campground or showroom. With a strong Freightliner Liberty Bridge chassis and custom-built body, the Eagle 45K looks just as powerful as it feels. Step inside and prepare to be amazed. Let's explore every luxurious corner of this masterpiece, starting with the kitchen. The fully equipped kitchen features quartz countertops, a Blanco sill granite sink, a 2-burner induction cooktop, and a 4-door residential fridge with an ice and water dispenser. There's also a convection microwave oven and soft close drawers that add a touch of sophistication to every meal. The living room is like a private lounge. Relax on the theater-style seating with power recline or stretch out on the queen-size sleeper sofa. Enjoy your favorite shows on a large LED smart TV. All while heated porcelain tile floors keep you cozy in every season. When it's time to rest, the king-size memory foam mattress welcomes you into a world of comfort. A wall-mounted 4K smart TV, built-in wardrobe, and even a Samsung washer and dryer make this space feel just like home, or even better. The bathroom brings spa-level luxury with a tiled walk-in shower, a built-in seat, and a skylight above. You also get a double sink vanity, mirrored medicine cabinets, and premium hardware throughout, making every refresh feel rejuvenating. Under the hood, the American Eagle 45K runs on a Cummins ISX 15605 HP engine, delivering immense power and smooth driving, even when fully loaded. The cockpit includes a digital dash, adaptive cruise control, and touchscreen infotainment, making every drive both powerful and intelligent. So whether you're planning a cross-country adventure or simply want to experience the peak of mobile luxury, the 2025 American Eagle 45K is unmatched. Every detail has been designed for comfort, class, and convenience. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more amazing luxury vehicle reviews. Only here on DreamCarViews. See you in the next video.